Welcome back to another video about sentences in IPA alphabet. This time we will read 15 sentences in IPA form and have some graphics to understand what it says. So let's begin with sentence number 1. I forgot to put a stamp on the envelope. Sentence number 2. I am not a morning person. Sentence number 3. There is a lot of money. Sentence number 4. She has 3 brothers. Sentence number 5. I just want someone to talk to. Sentence number 6. I clap my hands. Sentence number 7. Are there 2 windows in your room? Sentence number 8. I hope neither of them was injured in the crash. Sentence number 9. I think it's time for me to turn on the radio. Sentence number 10. The airplane is landing at the airport. 11. Next year marks the 50th anniversary of Man on the Moon. I am an airline flight officer. 14. My car is a red Ferrari. And 15. Golf is the best sport in the world. I hope you like this and thank you very much.